Hi, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading. So, Scorpio, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if, in case that you want to join our live sessions, don't forget to um, click on the notification so that you'll be notified every time that I go live, so that we can answer your personal questions. And Scorpio, if you resonate in the reading or with the reading, and wanted to have a personal reading, there is a link in the description box. Follow the instructions. Let's start your reading with some positive message. Your truth, your genuinity may not be for all. As long as you are working with your truth, working with your heart, there's nothing sexier than being you. And I think that that is also why you are a people magnet. When it comes to your romance, whether it is a past person, a new person, there is a message that needs to come out. If this is you, it can be you, it can be your person. If this is you, then probably this is the time for you to let it out. Time for you to admit, confess, initiate, and vice versa if this is your person. But from what I am seeing, what I am vibing in this energy is someone is watching you. Someone wants to say something, confide, and be real honest with you. The same that you're doing. This third card may not be for all. This is general reading, so if this is not for you, this third card, um, with regard to the reading, take what only yours. Don't effing force it. Allow that to come to you. Mm? No need to seduce, tease this energy. Based on the vibration of this reading, I am feeling that this energy is already into you. They're they're about to burst. They're about to say it. Mhm. You're gonna be surprised how this person truly appreciate you. Scorpio, you might be person A or you might be person B. So, cross watchers, you're welcome to this reading. Person A wanted to say something, offer something, but they don't know how to say it. What's the first step? When to say it? How's the setting? A little shyness, yes, and probably this person is somewhat giving you a hint. They're really acting very slow. Sometimes they're doing it as a joke. There might also be some moments that, when you're texting, right? You already composed, you just need to press send, and then they're going to erase it. You know who's this person. This person breaks your heart. Somewhat breaks your heart because you are expecting for them to give you something in return, which you abundantly offered them. This person is already in your mind. There's so much love coming from you. Your person appreciates it. I think there will be a brutally honest conversation that needs to happen soon about a confession of love, a confession of I am ready to offer you the equal give and take. It might also be a new person that you think they rejected you. There is a mixed signals that this person is giving. You have tried everything. I think that there is some pause in this connection. I'm not really seeing separation, separation, but a pause. Um, it already started, and then this energy went on silent. You know, your dynamic went on silent. But I am seeing here coming from person B. Person B is still, let's say, keeping tabs on person A. A confession of stability. Because for some reason I am seeing this energy kind of made you crazy this new year. There's a lot of passion. It may not just be physical. I'm also seeing a um spiritual and mental intercourse, if I may say. That's how I am seeing it. Both of you are going to prosper, grow. I can almost see second chances because, like what I mentioned earlier, there's a pause in here. Just need to, I think the play button is already up and running. This is your reading. Zodiac signs that I am seeing in here can be a placement in your chart, your person's sun sign, or a placement in their chart. Leo, Aries, Libra, Taurus, Cancer, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces is very dominant. Leo. Did I say Leo earlier? Yes. Virgo is here. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. And see you tomorrow. Goodbye.